In this video, I'm gonna show you how to organize and structure all of your video project files with the click of a button using the all-in-one project organizing software, Poste Haste. Matt Martin showed me this software. Let's do it. And so that's the folder structure, right? Now, I told you that there was a software that can automatically generate these things. It's called Poste Haste. Absolutely free to download. All right, we're gonna pause right here. Future Joey's here. This video isn't really gonna make sense if you don't know what a folder structure is and why it's probably the most important thing you need to create before you start your video projects. So before you continue this video, I'll leave a link to a video that breaks down a folder structure and how to use it. The link is somewhere on the screen, maybe right here, top right corner. Is that the top right hand corner? I think so. Okay, Future Joey is out. Now, I told you that there was a software that can automatically generate these things. It's called Poste Haste. Absolutely free to download. All you have to do is come in here, hit templates, your video editing template, and you can create your own template in here. Meaning, if I come in here to assets and I want to put something else in here, I want to create an After Effects CS4 project or an Adobe Premiere project, and I want to put it right in there, you can. Obviously, this would actually go into project files, right? Point is, you can create your folder structure in the software, and then if you come up here to new project, it's going to label that project. It's going to give it a number. It's going to give it the client's name, shut up and cut, the project name, the title of the video, the date, and who the editor is. And if I hit create new project, watch what happens. It completely generates a brand new folder structure. And here it is, from scratch, right? There's the file we created. Here's the audio folder, here's the exports folder, or deliverables, exports, same thing. Footage folder, music. And it's great if you're working on a bunch of different projects with a bunch of different people. This is more of a scaling software, something that you can use. Or you can just have a template always ready to go. When you're ready to start a new project, you can just copy and paste the template. So there's a bunch of different ways to do it. Poste Haste is a great option if you like that option, but I don't think you need it. I think once you create your folder structure, you're done. You can just copy and paste it. So long as that project fits in that folder structure. Like I said, multiple different projects might have multiple different folders depending on what's necessary. That's what Poste Haste does. Now what I want to talk about is importing. Being able to organize your project assets is probably the most important thing you will do when editing. But there is one thing that is even more important, and it's the workflow that you use to import and manage those assets throughout your project. Because if you don't have the habits to maintain the organization, you're gonna give yourself a major headache down the line. And so you might as well not be organized, because that's what organization does, is it gets rid of that headache. And the one thing that you need to do is actually easier than you think. So if you wanna learn about it, click right here to watch my video on my #1 organizational habit that's gonna make your video editing life 10 times easier.